हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम सीखेंगे बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स टीवाई बीकॉम चैप्टर नंबर पहला इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड। तो देरी ना करते हुए हम आते हैं टॉपिक पे और स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू। तो पहले एमसीक्यू है इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड इंक्रीज द वेलफेयर ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर all participation countries, only exporting countries, only importing countries, none of the above. The answer is all participating countries. Second, international trade increase the dash of participation countries, output, profit, risk, none of the above. Answer is output. Third one, according to David Ricardo, international trade is beneficial under dash cost, comparative, absolute, equal difference in cost, none of the above. The answer is comparative. Fourth is David Ricardo theories assume perfect mobility of labor dash within the country, between the participating country, within the and between the participating countries, none of the above. The answer is within the country. 5. A comparative cost theory is a static theory because it's assume that there is no quality and quantitative charges in the inputs. Labor is homogeneous within the countries. There is no transport cost, none of the answers. There is no qualitative and quantitative changes in inputs. 6. Recording theory measures comparative cost in terms of dash, mandates, money, input cost, all of the above. The answer is mandates. 7. Ricardian theories assume that labor is dash within the countries, homogeneous, heterogeneous, in, inefficient, all of the above. The answer is homogeneous. Ricardian theory can be extended to dash more than two countries, only two countries, only two developed nation, only the developing nation. The answer is more than two countries. Ninth, Hexagon theory on international trade can explain dash trade, interregional and international, only international, none of those. The answer is interregional and international. 10th, commodity acts is capital intensive when in its production capital labor ratio is dash then commodity y greater less equal to none of the above. The answer is greater. 11. Hexagon cannot be applied to more than dash several commodities in several countries to countries for few countries. The answer is several commodities and several countries. 12th, according to Hexagon theory, product price depends on dash all of the given below, only factor intensive, only factor abundant, factor cost. The answer is all of the given below. 13. According to Hexagon theory, the international trade takes place due to different in dash product, labor, efficiency, advantage, technology of the above, product price. 14. In international trade, dash move between nation, commodity, and not factor of production, factor and commodity, none of the above. The answer is commodities and not factor. 15. A term of trade are expressed as a ratio of dash price index of export and import, foreign exchange receipt and payment, FDI and portfolio investment, none of the above. The answer is price index of export and import. 16. Term of trade are favorable if the current index in comparison to the base year index is dash more or less equal, none of the answer is more. 17. Gross barter term of trade take into account dash trade term of unilateral payment, only service, none of the above. The answer is trade items and unilateral payments. 18. Income term of trade indicate increased capacity to dash import, export, investment, none of the above. The answer is import. 19. Single factor term of trade take into account changes in dash efficiency of factor of production of export prices, import prices, demand of the input. The answer is efficiency of factor of production of export goods. 20. Generally, the developing countries dash term of trade suffer from adverse, enjoy favorable, ignore none of the answer is suffer from adverse. 21. The gain from trade is a maximum if the international term of trade are dash near the internal term of trade of a trading partner near to the domestic term of trade of importing country is equal to exporting country, none of the above. The answer is near to internal term of trade of trading partner. 22. An offer differs from dash usual demand and supply curve, usual demand curve, usual supply curve, none of the answer usual demand and supply curve. 23rd, international trade increase the welfare of dash all participating countries, only importing, only developing countries. Answer is only exporting all participant countries. 24. International trade result in dash all of the given below innovation, reduction in cost, diversify consumption. The answer is all of the given below. Cultural charges due to international trade are positive, negative, only negative, none of the answer is positive and negative. The concept of the water term of trade was introduced by Frank Dawson, Alfred Marshall, Franklin Roosevelt, John S. Mill. The answer is Frank Dawson. The concept of income term of trade was introduced by Graham S. Dorrance, Frank W. Dawson, David Ricardo, Franklin Roosevelt. The answer is Graham S. Dorrance. Utility term of trade was introduced by Jacob Wiener, Adam Smith, J.S. Mill, Frank Dawson. The answer is Jacob Wiener. The concept of offer curve was introduced by A.S. Marshall, Adam Smith, and David Ricardo, John S. Mill, and John Memkins. One of the answer is Marshall and Edward. Term of trade will be favorable in country when dash all of the given blue export inelastic demand of import inelastic demand, its supply of export elastic. The answer is all of the given blue. 31. The offer curve of a country is based on dash relative price of two commodities, price of export, import, supply of export. The answer is relative price of two commodities. 32. A country will have unfavorable term of trade when dash import have inelastic demand, import have elastic demand, exports have elastic supply of none of the above. 33. When supply export is elastic, a country will have dash term of trade favorable, unfavorable, different, none of the above. Answer is favorable. 34. The concept of reciprocal demand was introduced by J.S. Mill, James Vance, J.S. Lawrence, M.W. Dawson. The answer is J.S. Mill. 35. Reciprocal demand is expressed in terms of dash offer curve, supply curve, demand curve, cost curve. The answer is offer curve. 36. The classical theory of international trade was represented by David Ricardo, Ronald Jasmine, Alfred Marsh. The answer is David Ricardo. 37. Or Haxel theory was stated that the relative factor price in two countries are determined by dash different factor endowment, labor efficient, technology. None of the answer is different in factor endowment. 38. Haxel theory is also known as dash theory of trade, modern, traditional, classical, modern. The answer is modern. 40. None the dash types of different international trade will take place equal, absolute, comparative, none of the above. The answer is equal. इसी प्रकार से हमारा फ्रेंड आज TYBCom के चैप्टर नंबर 1 इकोनॉमिक्स का हमारा खत्म हुआ इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम बहुत ही जल्द डालेंगे. थैंक यू.